Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon 2020. Well, this is day one. The event has just opened in the last half an hour or so, and if you compare this to previous years, I can say that maybe the weather matches the atmosphere, and as much as there are very few people here, and maybe there'll be more later, but you don't expect this on the opening day. And particularly, well, we'll see what's like the weekend. Maybe on the Monday, okay, fewer people, but never like this. In fact, this is what it looks like, I imagine, 2 weeks after the event ends. Let's have a look, and this is Premium Hall 5. Now, one thing I want to say though is I'm very pleased that to be here. Obviously, I've travelled well over 1,000 kilometres to come in here, so you've got to do this every. Put some of that on, but at the same time, you know, it's much fewer vehicles are here. Having said that, maybe the density of vehicles, the people visiting, is from my point of view as somebody who does films up vans, this is the best situation. It's much easier to get in the vans this year, let's hope, although there are queues to actually do it. Let's have a look around the stands. This is the luxury area. This company here, Rebel, they do 4x4 vehicles, and obviously all built to order. There's the lady who runs the company. Mobile. They make these units here at the back, these sort of container units. They're from the Netherlands, very luxurious inside, but obviously they're meant for very tough terrain. And as I said, container, it's the same size as a shipping container. Airstream Caravan. Not terribly certain why they're in this hall, but there's probably a very good reason for it. Now, I mentioned how empty it was. There's lots of companies that chose not to come here this year, and that's understandable. And for two reasons: obviously, there's the disease factor, the COVID situation. The second thing is they thought, well, there's going to be fewer people, there's less chance of actually making sales. So that is also understandable. Here we have a Crutzer, which I've shown from the outside in the past, and I showed it from the inside last year, I think it was, but the vehicle hadn't been done. A vehicle which, you know, all these are built to order, so whatever it looks like inside is you know, up to what people actually want. A Variomobile. And here we have at this event they brought the most expensive vehicle, so we'll have a look at that as well. This alcove model here, you're looking at around what, 600,000 euros plus the vehicles they have here. Just come onto the stand and show it. There you are, 1.5 million for this thing here. Oh, and it's a queue to actually get in. That one there is over 1 million as well. I'll have a look at that from outside. You know, a Krug, off duty, not duty, what do you call it? Off road, sorry. Off road heavy duty, that's it. Oh, they are certainly monster slide outs. Look at the size of that. This vehicle here is the one with 400,000 euros worth of options, and you can see that in a different video. Now, the biggest stand here is the one of Morello. Oh, I'll have a look at this. So before I come at the Morello, just have a quick look at these two from SDX. Hello. Now, last year, not only was this hall full, but also down there as well. And there's been even companies that weren't in this hall brought in. Hi. The trouble with these masks is I just don't recognise people. I didn't recognise my friend there at all. Right, Morello. This is the biggest single stand here. I've got lots of new vehicles. Oh, sorry, one new vehicle, completely new vehicle, but lots of vehicles. You can see all of these in other videos I've done in what they look like inside. And the newest one is this one here, which is the Grand Empire.
Hello, young man.
Hello. Hello, Andreas. Do you want to say some? Because I'm filming at the moment. Do you want to say something about your new van? This is Andreas.
Yeah, it's a fantastic new van. It's our biggest built on Actros from Mercedes. Super luxury, massage seats, powerful driving. All you need, a top product, which is incredible and unique here on the show in Düsseldorf. Come and have a look. You will be very surprised.
Oh, very good. And what's the cost of something like this?
Yeah, it is relatively
cheap. Obviously, I wouldn't expect it to be expensive at all.
Cheap
but
is not the right word. It's a good.
Well, it's value for money.
Yeah, it's a good relationship with quality for the money that you put. Yes. You put approximately well-equipped 650,000 euro, which for what you get is a reasonable investment.
Oh yes, absolutely. Well, I'll come back with some cash. I'll leave you a deposit now, and then I'll come back with the cash.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Right, thanks. So Andreas, you can see in other films without a mask on. And let's have a look now at the final company here, which is La Strada. And now La Strada, normally associated with camper vans, Fiat Ducato or Mercedes Sprinter, but they've come with this really futuristic looking van, which is the Nova. And I do appreciate everything's a matter of taste, but to me, I really do appreciate this one. And 4x4 basis, you're probably looking at 150,000 for something like this. Start price is around 100,000 euros. You can see that inside in a different video, and it comes in two color schemes as well. And just to demonstrate the price there, we can't demonstrate the price because they're the options, but never mind, I told you what it was, 100,000. EB Einzelbetten, single beds which are joinable. And that's it. That's the luxury range at Düsseldorf for this year. Now, I must make this very clear. Whereas I'm a little bit, I would like to have seen more vans here. Hey, sorry, I didn't show you this. There's Bimobile as well. Sorry. and bimobile off-by-road, 4x4 off-road vehicles. Now, whereas I don't know, it's hard to describe it. Am I disappointed at the lack of vehicles, or am I happy that there's so many in the circumstances? And it's the latter. At least I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad to see that we have this opportunity to see some of these vehicles. Right, so that's it. That's the full range in the luxury stand here at Dusseldorf for 2020. Let's hope that next year we will be back to normal.